Good morning, children. Myself Anil sir of St. Michael's Academy, Bettiya, and we are here on the platform of e-learning of St. Michael's Academy. Now we will see question text. It is of class 7, chapter 1. In my previous video, we have seen how to rearrange the jumbled words, and now we will see question text. It is in lesson 1, chapter 1 only. So that is why I have written chapter 1, question text. First of all, we will see the rules of how to make question text. These rules are not given in the books, but here I have written for your sake certain rules. The first rule is use of short forms. While making question tag, we use the short form. Short form means what? Will plus not will become want. Has plus not will become hasn't. Do plus not will become don't. Can plus not can't. Does plus not doesn't. Like that. So we use question tags. We use short forms in question tags. We never use do not. We use don't. So this is the first rule. Use of short forms like that. The second rule is use of pronoun. Use of pronoun means whenever noun part is given, suppose Ram is given, so we don't use Ram in the question tag, we use he for Ram. For Sita, we use she, like that. So, use of pronoun. In place of noun, when in the original sentence there is noun, but while making question tag, we use its pronoun part. Third rule is about the nature of sentence. And when the sentence is the positive one, or when it is a positive sentence, its tag will become negative. Again I am saying, for any positive sentence, there is a negative tag. And for any negative sentence, there becomes a positive tag. Again I am telling, for positive sentence, there goes negative tag, and for negative sentence, there goes positive tag. So mainly three rules are there. Again I am repeating. The first rule is that of use of short forms that we have seen here. Second rule is use of pronoun in place of noun that we have seen here. And the third rule is when there is positive sentence, we use negative tags, and when there is negative sentence, we use positive tags. So on the basis of such rules, let us make some tags. Examples. Ram has a car. Ram has a car. This is the sentence. So how to use tag? This is a positive sentence. First of all, we have to see what kind of sentence it is. So it is a positive sentence. So the tag will go into negative. The helping verb is here has. So its short form will become hasn't. Ram is here as subject. So its pronoun part will be used. So for Ram has a car, we will use hasn't he. We use question mark every time. Every time we use question mark, and here we use comma. Finally. So Ram has a car, hasn't he? If the sentence is Ram has not a car. What is the difference here? The first sentence is the positive one, while the second sentence is the negative one. Ram has not a car. So its question tag will be has he. Ram has a car, hasn't he? Ram has not a car, has he? Second, Sita can not speak English. Sita cannot speak English. See, the sentence is negative one here. Cannot. Sita cannot speak English. Negative sentence. So the tag will be that of positive one. So Sita cannot speak English. Can see. Third, they will help us. Want they? Want they? They play cricket. Here the question is, everywhere in the earlier sentence there is a helping verb. Has is here, hasn't is here, cannot is here. So with the help of this helping verb, we simply use its tag. But here no helping verb is there. But we have to find what helping verb is given here. So it is a simple sentence. Simple means it is in simple present tense. So do is hidden here. Because when we make it negative, like they do not play cricket. So when we written in negative form, what we see, it becomes do not play. So they do not play cricket, do they? They do not play cricket, helping verb becomes clear here, so it becomes do they. Here helping verb is not clear, but it is in simple present tense, so we use do. So they play cricket, don't they? Don't they? Another example. Mohan knows English. Mohan knows computer. Doesn't he? Doesn't he? We went to Patna. Say this, here the verb is in simple past tense. So it will become didn't. Didn't we? You are eating a mango. You are eating a mango. Here helping verb is here. positive sentence, so it will become negative. Tag Y, you are eating a mango, it will become aren't you. Come here. It is imperative sentence. The kind of sentence here is imperative one. Come here or do not come here, like that. So for any imperative sentence, come here, sit down, open the gate, don't open the gate. For any imperative sentence, whether it is in a positive one, whether it is negative one, like don't come here, say don't come here, or do not come here, there is only one tag we can use, will you. Come here, will you. Don't come here, will you. This will you will go with every kind of imperative sentence. Open the gate, will you. Don't open the gate, will you. So for any imperative sentence, will you is good enough. So children, in this video or in this class we have seen question tags, how to make it. There are certain rules that we have seen. We use the short form. Second is we use pronoun in place of noun. Here is the noun, but here we are using pronoun. So use of pronoun in place of noun. When there is pronoun, no problem. For any pronoun, the same pronoun is here. For you, it is you. For we, there is we. So for pronoun, it is pronoun. No change in the pronoun. But for any noun, there is a change in its corresponding pronoun part. So the second rule is use of pronoun in place of noun. And the third rule is when the sentence is positive, its tag goes negative. Here it is positive sentence, the tag is negative. Positive sentence, the tag becomes negative. And when there is negative sentence, the tag goes positive. So that is the end of this question tags. Till then, thank you.